control but just began. A promise whispered to the needy, a helping hand for every man. But beneath the concrete and the stone, a darker current starts to flow. A major corruption scandal that the people now must know. From Manila to Mindanao, the sickening rumors start to spread of public funds diverted a nation's hope. Left for the dead, oh the broken levee, the promise washed away. Political upheaval greets the dawn of a darker day. 70% they say, up to that much just gone. Public outrage rings out loud from dusk till early morn. We built a dam against the water, but not against the greed. Now we cry for justice, for a harvest that can feed. The need for stronger accountability in every single deed. Every single deed. The Senate president was ousted, the gavel fell in disgrace. The House Appropriations chief resigned, no longer able to hold his place. The political fallout swift and sharp as the truth began to shine. The grand illusion shattered, leaving ruin and a crime. Billions of pesos frozen, a figure hard to comprehend. A financial impact that may never fully mend. Oh, the broken levee, the promise washed away. Political upheaval greets the dawn of a darker day. 70% they say, up to that much just gone. Public outrage rings out loud from dusk till early morn. We built a dam against the water, but not against the greed. Now we cry for justice, for a harvest that can feed. The need for stronger accountability in every single deed. In every single deed. But a new resolve is building now, from the palace to the street. The government response is coming, tasting bittersweet. The new public works secretary vows recover stolen money, he states, while the anti-money laundering council moves to seal the gates. They demand prosecution of those who stole our nation's shield, and justice planted in this devastated field. Hear the people marching now, the widespread protests rise and swell. From every town and barangay, the corruption tale they tell. We demand convictions for the thief who robbed us blind. For trust is lost, but hope remains in the future we must find. The waters will recede one day, but the lesson will remain. You cannot steal a nation's future and expect to feel no pain. Yeah.